There's this whole hidden world running right beneath our feet, inside the very walls of our homes. And when something goes wrong in there, oh man, it is a massive headache. Today, we're going to explore the incredible technology that's finally bringing some much needed light into the darkness of our plumbing.
We've all been there, haven't we? That stubborn drain that just won't clear no matter what you do. Or that mysterious damp spot that just appears on a wall out of nowhere. These are super common frustrations, but for the longest time, finding the actual source has been a complete and total nightmare.
And that really gets to the heart of the problem. For decades, finding the issue was, as our source material perfectly puts it, a costly, time-consuming, and often destructive guessing game. And that meant digging up yards, tearing down walls, all based on a hunch, just hoping to find the real problem.
So what did this destructive guessing game actually look like? Well, let's just say it involved a whole lot of digging and a whole lot of hoping for the best.
And wow, this slide really lays it all out, doesn't it? On the left, you've got the old way, just pure disruption, all based on an educated guess. But on the right, that's the modern solution. You see the problem first, you diagnose it accurately, and then you go in with a precise, targeted fix. It's a world of difference. So, how in the world do we get this incredible vision in the abyss? Well, the answer comes down to a single, absolutely game-changing piece of technology. And here it is. The answer is a high-tech inspection camera. This one tool completely transforms the entire process. It is a genuine game changer that takes us from total blindness to perfect clarity, giving professionals actual eyes inside the pipes. So, what makes this tool so darn effective? Let's pop the hood and break down the key components that make it such a diagnostic powerhouse. It all starts right here, at the very tip of the spear. The 23mm camera head is frankly an engineering marvel. It's small enough to get in there, but it's also incredibly robust, designed specifically to snake through all sorts of pipes and navigate those tight bends you could never, ever see otherwise. And the benefit of that design is just so simple and powerful. With a camera head this maneuverable, blind spots are basically a thing of the past. You're just left with a clear, direct, and completely unobstructed view. You see everything. Of course, seeing inside is only half the battle, right? You need to actually be able to interpret what you're seeing. And that's where the 4.3-inch color monitor comes into play. It gives you a crisp, real-time video feed so you can make immediate, accurate assessments right there on the job. And with that kind of visual clarity, the diagnostic power is just incredible. You can instantly spot those telltale signs of trouble. We're talking hairline cracks, blockages from tree roots or debris, the start of corrosion, all with a level of precision that was pretty much unimaginable before. Now, the environment inside a pipe is, well, let's be honest, it's harsh, it's wet, it's grimy, and that's why this IP68 rating is absolutely non-negotiable. So what does that technical jargon mean? It's an industrial-grade standard that means the camera head is completely sealed against dust and can literally be submerged in water continuously without any damage. To put it simply, this is not some delicate piece of equipment. It is a rugged, tough-as-nails tool built to go into the abyss, survive whatever it finds down there, and deliver a reliable performance every single time. So, seeing the problem is one thing, but this technology has another critical capability that's just as important: the power of proof. Let's take a look at how it allows professionals to document and share what they find. The workflow is just beautifully simple and so effective. First, you deploy the camera into the pipe. Then you record the video feed of the entire inspection. After that, you can analyze the footage for key details. And then, and this is the crucial part, you can share that visual evidence directly with the client. And this ability to record is just invaluable for so many reasons. For one, it builds massive trust because the client can see the problem with their own two eyes. It also creates a perfect visual record for reports or insurance claims. And it lets you go back later and analyze the footage, almost like a sports replay, to catch any little details you might have missed in the field. So as we bring this all together, it's really important to understand that this technology is about so much more than just solving one problem right now. It's really about thinking bigger. And this right here is the key takeaway. Adopting a tool like this isn't just a small upgrade. It is a fundamental shift in how the work gets done. It elevates the entire workflow from reactive guesswork to proactive, evidence-based problem solving.
And the long-term benefits? They're crystal clear. You save time and money by avoiding all that unnecessary digging. You enhance your professionalism. You can actually prevent future problems before they become massive emergencies. And all of this leads directly to much, much happier customers.
Ultimately, it all comes down to this really powerful and simple idea from our source material. Stop working in the dark. That's it. This technology is all about bringing illumination, precision, and certainty to a world that was once completely hidden from view. It really makes you think, doesn't it? We've used this kind of vision to conquer the unseen world of our own plumbing. So the question is, what other hidden world will technology reveal to us next? Thanks for joining this explainer.